Sylvia, NappyFu, all up on your screen, and today is, oh, she look cute. If you don't give yourself compliments, then who will? Today is a get ready with me NapChat, and it's all about the hair. Okay, so what you getting ready to do with me? Getting ready to cook? Are you about to go out too? Whatever you're getting ready to do, shall we chat? NappyFu checking in. Let go. Alright y'all, so let me take this turby off. Y'all know y'all can make a turby out of anything, right? This ain't nothing but a t-shirt. Well, actually it's a workout shirt. It looks like I got a little makeup stain on here, but I'm still wear it tomorrow to work out. Sure am. Underneath here, I just have my hair in twist or whatever. Nothing major. This is day 2 from wash day. I don't feel like doing my actual hair, and when I don't feel like doing my actual hair, insert wigs upon wigs upon wigs. Okay, shout out to Her Giving Hair for sending me these different wigs, except for this straight hair one. They sent me the hair for it and I made a wig out of it. I'm gonna use one of their wigs tonight. I don't know which look I'm going for, but we gonna figure it out. I love wigs, y'all. I don't know if you're a wig user yet. Maybe you're not a wig user yet, but you want to become one. You're still trying to get convinced about it. If it's in your pocketbook, I definitely encourage you to try that wig life. More importantly, I encourage you to learn how to make your own wigs. When you learn how to make your wigs yourself, you save money. That's all I'm saying, okay? I definitely love to make wigs for people, but I definitely love it even more when they learn how to do it themselves. Too many videos on YouTube to not learn how to make it yourself. You know what I'm saying? Very, very great videos on YouTube. And if I can, maybe I'll link some in the comment box below. People who I feel like give really good tutorials on how to learn how to make your own wig. So I have this wig. This is from Her Giving Hair. And the hair detail will be in the description box below or posted somewhere in this video. This is their lace front. So it comes with all these combs and everything. I don't know, y'all. I think I'm feeling this colored wig because of the color. I really like the way I colored this hair. I was even thinking about going brighter, but I said, let me just stop here. I really like how it came out. I just really feel like it brings out that chocolatiness. Okay, so I might be also going for this straight hair wig that I chopped all the way up, and it came out really pretty. Colored this hair too. I don't know, let me see what I want.
Oh, the wonderfulness of being a woman, getting ready, but can't decide what look she's going for. Am I the only one that can be quite indecisive when it comes to this? Give me a thumbs up on this video so I know I am not alone. Okay, y'all, so to help me decide, I'm going to go ahead and style both wigs. And I definitely want to involve y'all in this styling battle, okay? So make sure you participate in today's NapChat question at the end.
Out of all the natural hair companies I've worked with, Her Giving Hair has probably been the most consistent as far as the quality of their hair. You know, they are a little pricey, okay? They definitely a little pricey.
So with Her Giving Hair and any other natural hair extension company, try to always catch them when they have those sales.
And you know, getting a wig from another company or getting a wig from someone to make it for you is definitely an investment. It's an investment that, you know, if you're going to make it, make sure it's worth it. Make sure it definitely benefits you in the long haul, in the long run. On days like right now, I do not feel like touching my hair at all whatsoever. Like, I'm not about that life right now. So having this wig is definitely very beneficial. So happy about that. So yes, your girl is about that wig life. Okay.
Although today's wigs were sponsored, don't get it twisted, y'all. I have a lot of wigs that I bought with my own money. When it comes to investing in wigs, I'm talking about specifically human hair wigs. That's where the investment is. Synthetic doesn't last as long, but if you get a good quality human hair wig, it can last you 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. I have about 4 wigs that I know are going on 6 years because the quality was good. It's an investment, y'all, so plan accordingly. Do your pros and cons, weigh it out, do your SWOT analysis if you have to, okay, and make the right investment.
Alright, so on another Get Ready With Me, I was asked to talk about natural hair Nazis. Natural hair Nazis, to me, don't bother me. Like, I'm just not going to let somebody else bother me about something that belongs to me. This hair belongs to me. what I want to do with this, what I want to do with it. Because even me, myself, like, I've never been called a natural hair Nazi, but sometimes I feel like I might sound like one because I'm over here saying, y'all know y'all shouldn't be, you shouldn't be, you shouldn't be. But it's like, I feel like I say things that you know, like you know.
Actually, when I think about it, natural hair Nazis are quite extreme. So maybe I'm nothing like that, okay? I just kind of give you advice that you can take or not take. If you don't know, natural hair Nazis are naturals, okay, that are so pro-natural that their words and their actions can be quite offensive sometimes. You know, let's take, for example, if you are relaxed, they will give you every reason in the book why you should stop relaxing your hair, why you should hate it, and they pretty much will make you feel kind of judged. Natural hair Nazis sometimes make you want to fight them, okay? But we're not going to fight them. We're just going to let them be. We're going to move on to the opposite direction and keep on with this nap life, okay?
Do y'all ever sit back and think about the friends you keep around you and try to determine if any of them should go? Does that sound bad? Like, do you ever just sit back and think about, like, the kind of people you keep around you on a regular basis? Are they really your friend? What do they bring to your life? How often do you talk to them? When you do talk to them, is it like you haven't skipped a beat? Are you still close to this person? Do you and this one still have a relationship? Do y'all still converse? You know, do you ever go through that and is it just me? You notice you do this whenever you do feel like something has changed about that person. That's when you really start thinking about, is this person still my friend? Like, you notice a change. You notice a change, you try to talk to them about that change, and they don't seem to be receptive to it. Because the last thing I want to do is have somebody in my life who's not supposed who's trying to go into a season they shouldn't be going into. You know, kind of like that T.D. Jakes sermon. If you haven't heard about the sermon, he talks about there's 3 kind of friends. There's confidants, constituents, and comrades. The kind of friends that you consider confidants are the type that can go with you into whatever season you're entering into. And they will still be like a palm tree. No matter how much the friendship bends, they're right there. And some friends who are not a palm tree, they are a cactus, okay? They are a cactus, and they can only survive off of the tea you give them, off of the liquid. If you stop giving them a liquid, they're gonna die, okay? And there's some friends that's like a weed. You know they bad. You know they bad. But yet and still you want to keep them around. You don't know why. And you know they know good. You know good. But you want to keep them around. For whatever reason you have convinced yourself. But yeah, so since I go through that, I wondered to myself, is this person still my friend like they were before? Because we don't talk. And if you don't care, that's fine. Make that stuff obvious to me. If you can't tell me straight, Lord, let me see that on my own. This person doesn't care about me like that no more. So I can go ahead and move around. Because you're not about to play me for no fool. I tell you that much. You're not about to play me in these streets. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, sometimes I'll go through my Rolodex, my mental Rolodex of friends, and be like, is this person still really a friend to me? Do I still consider this person a friend? Do I still consider this person like a sister? Do I still consider this guy like a brother? There's some friends who you know you don't talk often. You don't. But when y'all do finally talk, it's like you never skip the beat. You right on target. Boom, boom, gat. Boom, boom, gat. Okay. But yeah, do you ever just go through your Rolodex and try to determine who's still a good friend to you? Alright, so this is the straight hair wig. Before I sew this down, as much as I'm feeling this one, because it's really cute, I like it. I think I might be feeling this curly wig too. The kinky curly one. I think I might be feeling that too. But this is gorgeous. I love it. I haven't glued anything down. Do you like it? Let me know. I can see my 2 twists sticking out right here. Y'all can see that? And I'm not even going to adjust it. So this is their lace front. I have my 360 there, but I'm really feeling color tonight. So I think I'm going to leave that 360 sitting right there. And now let me go ahead and wand curl everything together. This might take a while.
So, how did you start the New Year's off, y'all? I'm kind of curious. Let me know in the comment box. For me, I did things a little differently this year. I went to church, praised the Lord, prayed my way into 2018. Then after that, I went to go hang out with a few of my friends. This is so different from me. I normally just go to church, go home, and go to sleep. But this year, I was like, no, let me do a little different. Went to go hang with my friends, and I had an awesome time with those ladies. I feel like 2018 is going to be a golden year. I truly feel like more than I've ever felt like this in any other new year. So I hope y'all are ready to shine, okay? I'm just saying, some of y'all need to be ready to tap into your greatness. The time is now. Tap, tap, knock, knock. Can you open up? I'm just saying. All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and speed this up a little bit because y'all know wand curling takes a while.
All right, y'all. So this is the curly hair wig, which I think is really, really, really cute too. like in the middle part. I don't know, I haven't glued it down yet, but I might switch it up. Ooh, loving how curly Sue it is. I think it's really, really cute. Loving the color on me. And I actually like the fact that it's covering up the fact that I forgot my earrings. Okay. So I don't know, y'all. Which wig do you like?
And this brings us to today's NapChat question. Which look do you think I went with? Comment below if you think I went with the A, sleek bob, or the B, bouncy curls. If you guessed correctly, that will enter you into this week's giveaway, and it is awesome, y'all. To know what I'm giving away and to know the rules, please look out for the post that will follow as soon as I upload this video. Trust me, the prize is going to make you wig out. Okay? I'm excited. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button. And make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that, all of that.
And I will catch you on the next one. Till then, remember to have healthy hair. Gotta do healthy things. NappyFu checking out. Deuces.
If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful.